Buenos días, clase. Espero que estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre algunas cosas importantes para este semestre. So you should be enrolled in Spanish 2312. This is our Blackboard site for our course. I sent you guys an announcement yesterday about what we will be doing over these next few days as the semester starts today. Please note that we only meet on Tuesdays. We don't have any other meet times, just those days, Tuesdays, and all of our assignments will be due Sundays by 11:59 p.m. What I would like for you to do is review the syllabus and course outline that I have posted here under syllabus, and also register for our textbook. And the textbook that we're going to be using is Punto y Aparte, which you can click the link here that I have set up in the announcements that was sent to you also via email. And there's a couple of options. So first, just make sure up here that it's the right course. It should be, just to make sure, Spanish 2312, Fall 21, meeting Tuesdays, 12:30 to 1:45. So I'm going to log in. Okay, and you'll see a couple of different options here. I also provided you with these options yesterday, right? We will not have a connect code for the course. You will have to choose one of these other options here, okay? So if you would like, you can sign up for temporary access. This gives you access for 2 weeks for free, and that will help you to be able to start the course now here, this temporary access. So it's a 2-week free access until you are able to purchase either the Connect, which is the digital option. This is the one that I suggest. Or if you would also like to get a printed copy of the textbook, you can choose this option. This Connect option, the digital option, comes with the ebook, so you'll have access to it electronically. If you are the person that needs to have a printed copy, then you can choose this option here. This will give you access to Connect, plus the ebook, plus the textbook rental. Like that's a printed version. But really all you need to get is the digital. And that's this one here under Connect. So definitely temporary access if you're waiting for your disbursement, or maybe you haven't gotten paid yet, so you can't pay for the access to the course. But this does expire after 2 weeks, at which point you will need to purchase here Connect, okay? So please make sure that you are aware of those options that you have. Choose the one that works best for you at this time. And let me see what else. Once you do register for that, it will take you to our Connect site. And I'm going to go ahead and go to Student View. And this is what you should see when you log in. So you'll see here we have the orientation videos. This is the homework that you have to complete by this Sunday. These are just a couple of videos introducing you to the Connect website and showing you just how to use it, how to complete assignments, etc. It's only a couple of, I think it's only 5 different activities that you have to complete. And this is the work that we have to get done by this weekend before our first class meeting. And then you also have access to the ebook here, and you'll be able to go through that. You can use this in class. You can bring it in class. I will also have it up whenever we are going through anything in the course, right? So you have everything that you need here. I'm going to be releasing the rest of the homework assignments for the remainder of the semester later on today. So you'll have access to those as well. And then you'll be able to get ahead if you need to, or if you have any questions about anything, just reach out to me. You'll see that our syllabus is here underneath syllabus. We also have the course outline, and this page also takes you to this link here where you will go to register for the textbook. So there's a couple of different ways you can register for it. Okay, heading back up, we'll go back to the syllabus. The course outline is here. and I'm going to be releasing everything else on Blackboard that gives all of the instructions for these activities. But you'll notice that the tareas we have are in yellow, so we have tareas almost every week. And those are a significant portion of your grade. They're worth about 48%, almost half. The compositions are worth 20%. Although we only have 2 compositions, they are broken up into 4 different assignments for each composition. So we'll be going through the process of writing. We have 3 videos that you're going to make, which are our presentaciones and the introductory video, worth 15%, so each one worth 5. Your reflexión oral, that's also worth 5%. And then the last thing that we will be doing, these are in the gray, are commenting on the presentations and videos that your classmates make. So that is also worth 12% of your grade. We do that 3 times, so each one is worth 2%. And if you head down to our course content page, you'll see that you can also access your homework through Connect from here at our Blackboard site. You'll just click on it and it will send you there. I gotta do student assignment view because it shows me instructor view. So this will be the page that it shows you so that you can start working. Notice though that you do have unlimited attempts. So like if you, for whatever reason, and maybe not on this assignment, but other assignments, if you want to complete them, you can complete them as many times as you need to before the due date. And it also tells you what the due date is here on Blackboard so that you can see they will be arranged by the due date, so that way you'll be able to see what you have due, each week. Okay, so if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will see you on Tuesday. Just want to make sure of the room in Classroom Hall 209 from 12:30 to 1:45. So good luck with your first day of classes, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Hasta luego.